Hello, so my name is Alyssa Mast. I go by Alyssa, and my pronouns are she, her. I added some pictures of my dog on here. His name is Elvis. He always looks like he's scared for some reason. It's really funny. I like to read a lot, and I've seen the 100 series on Netflix like 3 times, so that's the series that I'm reading right now. And if I have to pick a favorite celebrity, I would say Billie Eilish. I've been listening to her music for a while, and I really like her style. And my thoughtful question is, how do celebrities keep their fame and stay famous for so long, even if they haven't come out with any new music or TV shows or anything like that?